Question 1. The iconic Raffles Hotel is located in which country? A. Sri Lanka. B. Kuala Lumpur. C. Sweden. D. Singapore. Correct answer D. Singapore. Question 2. Who captains Mumbai Indians in IPL 2024? A. Jasprit Bumrah. B. Kieron Pollard. C. Hardik Pandya. D. Rohit Sharma. Correct answer C. Hardik Pandya. Question 3. The Central Rice Research Station is situated in which city? A. Bangalore. B. Cuttack. C. Bhatinda. D. Chennai. Correct answer B. Cuttack. Question 4. What is the average lifespan of red blood cells? A. 60 days. B. 90 days. C. 120 days. D. 365 days. Correct answer C. 120 days. Question 5. The famous Dilwara temples are situated in which city? A. Udaipur. B. Mount Abu. C. Jaisalmer. D. Jaipur. Correct answer B. Mount Abu. Question 6. Who among these wrote Sanskrit grammar? A. Kalidasa. B. Aryabhat. C. Vyasa. D. Panini. Correct answer D. Panini. Question 7. Where was first introduced the electricity supply in India? A. Darjeeling. B. Kolkata. C. Chennai. D. Mumbai. Correct answer B. Kolkata. Question 8. In which year was the first census conducted in India? A. 1871. B. 1881. C. 1891. D. 1911. Correct answer B. 1881. Question 9. Which Buddhist monk inspired Ashoka to adopt Buddhism? A. Upagupta. B. Vishnugupta. C. Buddha. D. Ashwaghosha. Correct answer A. Upagupta. Question 10. What was the name of Alexander's teacher? A. Plato. B. Socrates. C. Aristotle. D. Philip II. Correct answer C. Aristotle. Question 11. When the sun rises and sets, why does it appear red? A. Light travels a short distance. B. Blue-violet scatters, red-orange reaches us. C. Atmosphere absorbs all colors except red. D. Sun cools down and changes color. Correct answer B. Blue-violet scatters, red-orange reaches us. Question 12. Which of the following is the main cause of rusting in iron? A. Exposure under sunlight. B. High temperature. C. Contact with oil. D. contact with water and oxygen. Correct answer, D. Contact with water and oxygen. Question 13. Bats can fly in the dark night because they are aided by A. Sharp vision, B. Echoes of sound waves, C. Magnetic power, D. Infrared rays. Correct answer, B. Echoes of sound waves. Question 14. A cat can see better at night because of A. It is faster than other animals, B. It uses sound in the dark, C. Its eyes are large, D. It has a special reflective layer in its eyes. Correct answer, D. It has a special reflective layer in its eyes. Question 15. Why do people prefer to paint their own houses white in summer? A. It looks more beautiful. B. It reflects the light of the sun and keeps the house cool. C. It is easier to clean. D. It absorbs heat waves better. Correct answer, D. It absorbs heat waves better. Question 16. Which type of waves are used in radar systems? A. Radio waves, B. Sound waves, C. Light waves, D. Electromagnetic waves. Correct answer, A. Radio waves. Question 17. Why is a wooden handle used on an aluminium kettle? A. Wood is lightweight. B. Wood looks good. C. Wood is an insulator and does not transfer heat. D. Wood does not conduct heat. Correct answer, C. Wood is an insulator and does not transfer heat. Question 18. What material is the filament of an electric bulb made of? A. Aluminum, B. Copper, C. Chromium oxide, D. Tungsten. Correct answer, D. Tungsten. Question 19. What object regulates the focal distance in the ice lens? A. Cornea, B. Iris, C. Ciliary muscles, D. Retina. Correct answer, C. Ciliary muscles. Question 20. What object does the Richter scale measure? A. Temperature, B. Earthquake magnitude, C. Atmospheric pressure, D. Wind speed. Correct answer, B. Earthquake magnitude.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.